Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, airborne warning and control systems capability continues to gain momentum. The Indian Air Force quest for a robust airborne warning and control system, that is AWACS capability, continues to gain momentum, while the Netra Mk1A and Airbus A321 based AEW and C Mk2 programs are currently in the spotlight. DRDO, India's premier defense research organization, has not lost sight of the long-term goal, a dome-mounted AWACS solution offering complete 360-degree coverage. Next, anti-submarine warfare gets a boost with smart missiles. India's NG anti-submarine warfare capabilities are set to receive a significant boost with the supersonic missile-assisted release of torpedo, that is SMART smart system. Developed by the DRDO, SMART is designed to be integrated into the Indian Navy's existing anti-submarine warfare corvette. SMART employs a supersonic missile to carry a lightweight, electrically propelled torpedo known as the Torpedo Advanced Light. This innovative system offers a crucial advantage: extended range. Unlike conventional torpedoes with limited reach, SMART can engage enemy submarines from hundreds of kilometers away, specially expanding the Indian Navy's ASW zone. Next, Su-30 operators are setting their eyes on Southeast Asia market. BrahMos Aerospace, a joint venture between India and Russia, is setting its sight on Southeast Asia to expand its market for the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, according to a report by Janes. The report states the BrahMos Aerospace has offered the BrahMos missile to 3 Southeast Asian nations: Indonesia, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Next, all-terrain vehicles with military potential. A Bengaluru-based company, All Terrain Private Limited, is making strides in the development of all-terrain vehicles with potential applications for the Indian military. The indigenous effort could significantly reduce reliance on improved ATVs currently used by Indian Special Forces and other units patrolling challenging terrains. Next, revolutionizing Indian armored vehicles situational awareness. Earlier this year, MKU Limited and Wegwizir joined forces in a groundbreaking partnership poised to revolutionize the Indian defense market. The collaboration opens the door for Wegwizir's innovative situational awareness system to make its mark in India, offering advanced capabilities to enhance the operational effectiveness of armored vehicle crews. Next, ISRO gearing up for Gaganyaan mission with parachute system test. The ISRO is inching closer to India's first human spaceflight mission, Gaganyaan. As part of their preparations, they are planning a series of integrated airdrop tests to validate the crucial parachute system. Pre-mission trials for the first IADT have begun at the Sriharikota spaceport, but both the simulated crew module and the Indian Air Force Chinook aircraft tasked with carrying the module to the drop altitude have arrived at the site. Thank you.